Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video, day number 20 of my 24 days of Christmas Vlogmas series. We are almost there, can you believe it? Wow. Okay, so today's video is another December unboxing for you, but before we get into that, obviously we do have to do our advent calendars, so let's start with Look Fantastic like usual. And day number 20 is down here, so let's pull this one out and see what we've got. Whoops, give it a bit of a whittle, get the box out. Okay. Oh, it's a tube. Oh, fantastic, brilliant. Right, this is by the brand Mio, and it is a 30ml tube of the Clay Away body cleanser. Alright, it's a 2-in-1 wash and mask for the body. Alright, that's really interesting. I've never heard of anything like this before. It says apply this versatile wash to wet skin all over your body and thoroughly rinse off. For a more intense treatment, apply to dry skin and leave for 2 minutes before rinsing off. Okay, wow, that'll be really interesting to try. Oh, there's peppermint and eucalyptus in there. That smells divine. Oh, fantastic. I can't wait to try that. But there we go. I do have another Mio body wash, actually, funnily enough, upstairs in my body care box, ready and waiting to be used. So, yeah, that's fantastic. So, day number 20 from the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. Now let's move on to the box of Vlogmas one. And here we go, we've got quite a flat package from Box of Vlogmas today. Feels like it could be some sort of like tin sign or something. Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. It's like a little tin sign. Here it is, and it says 100% that witch. There we go, that's really cute. I really like that actually. In fact, I'm not sure, yeah, I think it is. I was going to say, I'm not sure if it's like a mirror on the back, but yeah, no, I think it's just a little tin sign. So I'm pretty sure that'll end up on my backdrop after Christmas when I swap it all around. So yeah, keep your eye out for that popping up. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. If you're not already, please do hit that subscribe button and your notification bell. Click it onto all, that way YouTube will tell you every time I upload a video, which obviously at the moment is every day in the run up to Christmas. After that, I revert back to my usual upload schedule of around about 3 times a week. So today's video is December's unboxing of Medusas. Medusa's makeup box is here, everybody. So what is Medusas? How much does it cost? What do we get inside? I shall give you all the details now. So Medusa's Makeup is a US-based monthly subscription box, and it is basically a makeup-heavy subscription box. Initially, when I subscribed to Medusa's, it was purely all makeup. However, recently, over like the last 6 months or so, they have started adding in the odd item of skincare as well. Again, originally when I subscribed, the reason I did it is because this was quite a Gothic and Alternative makeup brand. So you would get very, very out there colours. You'd get blacks and purples and silvers and, you know, none of your neutrals or pink glitteries or anything like that. Again, recently over the last 6 months or so, they do seem to have been shifting where the colour ranges that they send out are concerned. So anyway, without further ado, this box costs $26.95 to receive as an international customer. Over here in the UK, that works out to be around about £23 or £24. We always get at least 4 full-size items, and usually speaking, the box value is normally $35 plus. So it's not the greatest markup, but you are getting a little bit more in the value of the box than what you actually pay. So, you know, that's fair enough. So let's get into it and see what we are getting in December. Here we go. There will normally be a little leaflet on the top, yep, that's just fallen out, and that will tell us all about the products that are inside, their RRP values, one thing and another. Usually it will tell us how much the total value of the box is as well, so I'll just have a little look. This is the Ho 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 edit. And yep, it looks like we've got, ooh, maybe 5 items in this month. So I'm gonna just pull the first one out. This is one of their, it is a Medusa's Makeup Bullet Lipstick, and it's in the shade Baroque. Their packaging, their outer packaging is just absolutely stunning. I adore it. There's the shade name, look, on the top there. So let's have a look and see what the shade is like. I think this is now the 3rd bullet lipstick that I've had from Medusas. Here's the inside packaging. If the camera will focus. Come on, camera. There we go. Oh, that's actually quite a nice raspberry colour there. Yeah, let's give that a swatch. Now, these lipsticks are very moisturising, and they can leave a bit of a sheen on your lips. They are not the most opaque because I think they do have a lot of oils and things, and they are very moisturising. I find the best way to use them is to pop a layer on, blot, then pop another layer, then blot, and so just literally keep repeating that and build up the colour intensity. That looks like a really nice colour. It might be a bit pinky. I think it's going to be one of those that I'm going to have to try on the lips. But at the moment, yeah, that looks like quite a nice one. Let's have a look. I think these are usually about $14. Yes, yeah, this has an RRP of $14. So item number 1. Item number 2, this is, I think this is a new product. This again is by Medusas themselves, and this is a Halo Glow, and it's a face stick, and it's in the shade Astro. There's the outer packaging, there we go, and there's the shade name. Let's have a look what it says about this. Yes, it is a new product. I thought it was, I didn't think I'd seen this before. And basically it is a highlighter. Ooh. Okay, now then, right, okay. First of all, this has an RRP of $16, okay? Now, I'm not one for stick or cream products particularly, for sort of face products, base products and things. Particularly highlighters, because I tend to do my highlighter as one of the last stages of my makeup routine. So, and cream products you should put underneath powder products rather than over the top. However, this says keep your cheeks glowing all day with this flirty highlighter with Astro Green Hues Face Balm. Okay, now the thing that's got me twitching is the fact that it's got a green shift in there, because I haven't got, well I have, I've got in my KVD Alchemy palette, highlighter palette, I have got a green one in there, but that's literally the only thing I do have with a green shift in it. Oh, I'm torn now as to what to do with this, but it's that green thing. Oh, I'm gonna have to give it a go, aren't I? By the way, I forgot to mention that Medusa's makeup is all cruelty free and vegan as well, by the way. So if that is important to you with your makeup, wow. Oh look, so I've took the outer top off and it's got like a little inner top. That's a really good idea. Oh yeah, I can see, oh, this looks amazing. I can see sort of green and blue reflex in there. I'm not sure if they're going to pick up on camera. I'm going to try. Oh wow, right, let's give this a bit of a, oh look. Oh wow, look. Oh yeah, right. Oh, that is fantastic. I'm gonna have to figure out a way of using this It feels, you can understand why they call it a balm, because it does feel a bit like a lip balm type texture, but I absolutely adore the colour and the reflex in it. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep that. Right, next product out the box. Ooh, we've got a brush. We've got another Medusa's makeup brush, and this one is the angled liner brush. I've actually already got one of their angled liner brushes. I really do like them. I like their brushes in general. Look at that lovely glittery handle. There's the finial, and it's got the Medusa's logo on it. Yeah, and again, these are synthetic bristles. Yeah, they're really, really good brushes, I have to say. So I'm never upset to get makeup brushes in subscription boxes. So there we go. By the way, my makeup brush collection and declutter video will be coming in between Christmas and New Year, everybody. So if those sort of videos are your cup of tea, again, please make sure you subscribed and got your notifications turned on so you know when that one drops. Okay. And the next product out the bag is, ooh, what's this? Again, this is by Medusas themselves, and this is an eyeliner seal. Okay, this is an interesting product. I've never heard of anything like this before. What does it say? I can't see it. I haven't got my glasses on. Okay. Right, so, oh, by the way, the angled eyeliner brush has an RRP of $6, by the way. Okay, right, okay, the curation of this box is starting to make sense. Eyeliner Seal, it says, turns eye dust and eyeshadow into an eyeliner or paint. Right, this, I reckon, this is basically like Medusa's Makeup's version of the Inglot Duraline, okay? So the Inglot Duraline is really good for using with, yeah, like loose pigments. So if you get like a little bit of plastic or whatever, you can pop a little bit of loose pigment on there, put a drop of the Duraline on, mix it together, and it makes like a paste, and then you can use it as like a cream eyeshadow. But obviously when that dries, it's going to dry down like a powder. It's also good for using with eyeshadows that have gone a bit hard pan, for again just mixing in so that you can then continue to use the product, for turning normal pressed eyeshadows into like I say, like a paste for an eyeliner effect. So I think that is Medusa's Makeup's version of that. This is only it's a very small bottle. Is it 20 ml? Yeah, 20 ml. But again, you will literally need 1 or 2 drops to do that. Now then, the only thing I would say, I've just opened it and there's no like dropper sort of top. It's just literally, this is the top and that's it. So that's that could maybe do with, like, you know, one of those little plastic things with the single hole in, so you can just drop a couple of drops on nice and easily. So I'd maybe say from a componentry point of view that could be improved, in all honesty, but that will be really, really interesting to try, because that is something I've always done. Actually, I've always used, or like to use, eyeshadows that you can like mix with water or whatever, turn them into a paste. It increases the vibrancy of the eyeshadow, and I find personally it makes them easier to use as well, because they are then like a paint and you literally are then painting. They're fantastic for doing really, really graphic and out there looks. So I will be very, very interested to try that product. That's really, really good. And obviously that's why we've got the brush as well, to use it with this product. And the last item in the box is one of Medusa's eye dusts. I think I've already got one or two I think already. One's like a white with sort of pink and purple reflex in it. The other one is like a pinky, pale pinky with purple reflex in it. This, however, is a proper Kirsty colour. This is in the shade Dirty. Here we go. And this is what it looks like on the top. There we go, and it's a proper purpley colour. Look at that. Doesn't look fantastic? They do come with a little topper and a little seal. I'm not going to take that off at the moment because I need tweezers to get in to pull that off properly, but that looks like a really nice colour. It says here it's an all natural mineral eye dust, glides on like silk and wears well all day long. The other two that I have used, I have tried them out. Yeah, they do actually glide on like silk. They are really nice. A lot of people are scared of using loose pigments. They can be a wee bit messy, but with a product like this to use alongside, you never know, maybe it might encourage people to use these loose pigments a wee bit more. This has an RRP of $9 as well. So the total box value this month is $54, and I've paid literally $27 to receive it. That includes your postage and packaging and shipping from the US over to the UK. So I've literally got double the value, and for the first time in I can't believe how many months, I am actually keeping every product, and I am going to trial and use every product. Woohoo! Because like I say, over the last 6 months ago, this box has been really disappointing for me, and there's been a few months where I've not got even the cost of my box back. This month, however, is going to make up for that. So we have got the highlighter stick, which is just the most fabulous sort of greeny, bluey shades. I did buy the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. If you've not seen that video, I will link it up here for you now. So that is going to be fantastic to go with that. Can't wait. We have got the Baroque lipstick. We've got the angled eyeliner brush. We've got the Eyeliner Seal, or like I say, probably Medusa's version of the Inglot Duraline. And then we've got a little tub of the loose mineral eye pigment, or the eye dust as they call it. So I'm really pleased with this month's box, but please let me know all your thoughts, feelings and feedback down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, as always, everybody. If you have enjoyed this video, please do remember to hit that thumbs up button. Just helps with YouTube's algorithm to help pop my little wee micro channel out there a little more than it is doing at the moment, and hopefully we can help to grow this wonderful community that we seem to be building here on Making It Up. I don't just do subscription box unboxings, I do makeup looks, makeup hauls. I also have a live stream every Friday evening, 8 PM UK time. It's a virtual get-together. Bring your favourite beverage, get yourselves nice and comfy, and we literally talk about anything and everything. We go with the flow, so whatever giddiness is going off in the chat is what is going off that night. If that sounds like the sort of community you would like to become a part of, please do bob in on a Friday evening, say hi, we would love to welcome you in there. I also have a joint Facebook page with my wonderful friend Lisa from Authentic Beauty. The details will be on screen for you now. That's another social media platform for members of both communities to get together, converse with each other, get to know each other a bit better, to promote themselves if they are creative in any way, if they have their own website, blog, small business, whatever. So yeah, please do head over to Facebook and search for Making It Authentic on there and like that page. I am of course also on Instagram. Again, details will be on screen for you now. Please do head over and follow me on there, as come the new year, that will be the place where I announce video uploads, if I have any flash giveaways happening, also if I have any videos coming up where I require your input or your help, you know, Q&A videos, things like that, they will all be popped onto Instagram. So like I say, I think that's everything for today, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!